What's up, y'all? It's your boy Isaiah, and I'm here with a quick little unboxing video on a new mouse I bought called called the Logitech G502 Hero. Get it to focus a little bit. This mouse is a lot like the mouse I owned previously, Corsair Nighthawk, but the big difference on this one, once I get it open, the two buttons right here and here are actually programmable compared to the Corsair one, which on that mouse, I'll link my other update video on that one. These buttons literally just change the DPI, which is horrible, because if you left click is usually the shoot or interact with everything. DPI changing button here and right here, where this button is on this mouse, is a design flaw. But without further ado, get them some specs. It has a hyper fast scroll wheel, which is cool if you play Fortnite or anything that requires a really flickable scroll wheel. Let me get this box open. Oh, so this is how the mouse comes out the box. We have a sticker. I like the stickers, put them on something. We have the manual, I believe, and these have software just like Corsair. I will boot that up. I have to download it, but I will definitely boot that up and add that in the video. Alright, what's up, you guys? We're in the Logitech G Hub, and this is where you can customize your keybinds for your mouse, keyboard. You can update your mouse, customize everything essentially. I love this compared to the Corsair one. You don't have to look at no manual to do anything. You just say you want to change your keybinds for your mouse. Click on your mouse, you just go to assignment. Then I already have, at first these two changed the DPI, but I switched those to T and P for the game I play. And it's really cool too, because not all mice I play with does this, but when you push your scroll wheel right or left, as you see these arrows right here, I'll zoom in on the video. But when you push left or right, that's also a button key, like a button click. So I have my right mouse click, not mouse click, but mouse scroll wheel bump set to this, and pretty much turn my adjust my scope and whatnot. Really simple software. That's how you change your DPI. I only never use 800. I don't switch it. I was thinking about trying out like 700 to 725 or 750. Lower down a little bit. This is how you change your light, logos, change the cycle fix. I debate on having the logo off, because I mean, your hand sitting on it, you don't ever see this, but when my hand's not, it looks cool. So I mean, it's up to you. But this is the Logitech G Hub software. Beautiful design, real simple. And as I get more Logitech devices, I will show y'all how they interact with each other too. That's everything that's what's in the box. Now for the mouse itself, this is my first time ever seeing and or grabbing it. For the palm, it feels pretty nice. It feels a little bit smaller than the one I have, which is kind of nice because it's a little too big for what it is. I really like the braided cable, nice quality. And this is the infinite scroll wheel, pretty much. Push this button, you'll hear click, and just glide it. Then to stop it, push the same button, and now you have resistance. This button also is programmable. This button, every button on here is programmable. This mouse has 11 programmable buttons, so each button can get reprogrammed. Except for this. Alright, so it says 11, but I counted, and everything, including scroll and pushing it down, was 11, even this button, but I don't think you can reprogram that button. So I'm gonna say 10 reprogrammable buttons. It's very light too. It only weighs 3.6 kilograms. You can set your DPI all the way up to 16,000, but nobody really do that. Show you how to set it up. I mean, everyone knows how to set it up. Just got my cat hair already on the mouse. Show you the weights it come with. Now, one thing I can say about this versus my Corsair mouse, the Corsair mouse weights don't actually tell you how much they weigh on the weight, which is very nice. Well, for Logitech, since they do that, I don't know why they don't. Each one of these weights is 3.6 grams, and shout out to Logitech for actually having that printed on each weight. And the little case is nice too. And each one of these weights go underneath the mouse. Hold on. Ooh, Houdini. Okay. They all kind of fit in like this. Real snug. You put one here, 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 then around. Oop, yeah, we'll get my food. But yes, as I was saying, each weight gets somewhat shoved in there, but I'm gonna try the mouse without the weights because I like a light mouse. I just like all the programmable button options. Has a sniper button too. See, if I can program this sniper button too to do something else besides just slow down my DPI, that's gonna be major. So I've been playing a lot of Tarkov, and if just to have the ability, this button be a flashlight button or something, to quickly toggle that, toggle it on and off would be amazing. To get the little bottom part off, it's this little black lip part. You just push up and it pops right off. This is the Logitech G502. You can pick one of these up for 50 bucks right now. I'm pretty sure I got mine for 60, so more like it's on a sale. So if you're looking for a new wired mouse with programmable buttons, this is what the Logitech G502 look like and come with when you buy it. I'm going to have a review on this up in a month or two, because obviously I like to use the product before reviewing it, give y'all some solid feedback on it. But you can check out the review I did on the Corsair around here, and my PC video and other PC part reviews are also in the same playlist. So if you like this video, please slap that like button. If you didn't, slap the dislike. Tell me what you want to see / change, or tell me what you like in the comment section. Or if you already bought this, let me know what you think / want them to change. But thank you for watching the video if you watched this far, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.